What's going on, crypto fam? Today is Wednesday, February 16th. Let's take a look at the charts today. I saw that RLY went crazy today, right? And I was going to actually give that signal yesterday, but I was getting so many signals that were so close to it. And let's look at it, RLY. Because they had a 50-60% move today, right? So yesterday I was kind of getting my signals here on my indicators, right? But we weren't above the Kijinsen yet, right? Which is the midterm resistance. So I was like, I don't know. But then I looked at the 2-day, right? And the 2-day was giving me an aggressive signal. And I was like, I don't know. I'm not feeling comfortable with it because I was just getting so many signals yesterday that were like early aggressive signals, or right. And the other ones didn't do much. So it would have been just luck, because if I would have dropped out 10 signals yesterday, 9 of them wouldn't have done much. And this one just happened to take off. So it would have been luck that you picked this out of the 10, right? But whatever. It is what it is. But I am getting some good signals tonight, so let's take a look at those. Let's look at those coins. ZRX. So ZRX on the 1-day, right? We're just about to enter the cloud. You guys know I put out an aggressive signal somewhere around the 1st, right? On the 1st, and was it the 1st? It was the 4th. Actually, it was probably the 4th, right? So I put out the signal on the 4th. We never got stopped out. Our stop loss would have been at right here at 56 cents. We never got there. We got as low as 57.5, right? And now it's bouncing off of it. So I'm liking where if you didn't take it on this signal, I'm liking it here as well. I will probably be taking a trade on ZRX tonight, right? We had this downtrend, we broke out, bounced off of it, and now I think we're going to break through. So ZRX looking good. Let's take off these SHIB I'm liking, right? We're about to break the cloud. We have bull flag, right? So measured move on this, if we took it, would be hold on. Somewhere around back up to 0.00004440, somewhere around there, right? Close enough. But I think we'll get some resistance up here at the 40.26, even 39.44. But yeah, I'm liking SHIB here, and you can see on the 4-hour, right? The 4-hour, we got into that tightening range, and now we're breaking through it. So I am liking SHIB. Mur, I don't know what to say on, man. I've gotten beat up on Mur a few times. Right, but we are just like, Mur's just got, look at this chart. It's probably one of the worst charts in crypto right now. Right, just like, wow, lost what? 90% probably of its value. But it is pumping now. I just don't I don't feel comfortable taking it after it's pumped as high as it did, because I could see it coming right back down and doing what it's done to me the last 2 times I took it. So I'm probably not going to take more. That is your choice if you decide to. I'm not comfortable with that trade. FIL FIL's looking okay to me. I'm getting a signal on it. I got the signal on it yesterday. Now we're above the, we look like we're about to break above the Tankinson as well. We got the Golden Cross on the 2. The Chico span just broke above price. So it's possible we could just continue ranging, right? We're flat here. This is still angled down a little bit. We also might see some resistance right here again at 20, 24, 25. If we break through there, I'd be looking for 27.62. So that's a possibility on FIL. ETC, we made a good amount of money on it. It's trading sideways now. We got a bull flag. Let's see. You know, I'm gonna let this sit for a couple of days probably. Keep an eye on it. Let's look at 12-hour. You know, yeah, I'd keep an eye on this one. I think we're gonna go another leg up. So, ETC, I'm not doing anything with tonight. BAL, you know, and ETC, I might, you know, just wait for the cloud break. It might go up with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's like a day or two away from breaking the cloud as well. BAL's in the cloud. I don't know. Besides the Keatonson breaking above price back here and the cross, we do look like we might get rejected from the cloud. Let's look at the 4-hour. 4 hours above the cloud. Yeah, 4 hours looking okay. We just retraced back. Think it could continue on. Right, or maybe take one more swipe down and then bounce off of it. I'd probably wait for the break of the cloud on this one too. You know, wait another day, see if we break through. AVAX is looking strong too, right? The span is aimed upwards. We just broke the cloud. The Chico span broke above the Kijitsun, so I could see us continuing to run here. We also have a head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder here, right? So I'm liking AVAX here for a possible continuation. All right, and that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. If I was looking at this, ZRX, SHIB, and AVAX are probably my 3 that I'd choose if I was going to get in some trades tonight. I don't know if I'm going to take all 3. Maybe I'll split it, you know, take a 2% risk and split the 3 between that 2% risk instead of taking 2% on each one. Because, you know, Bitcoin's still in range. So a lot of this stuff could take off, right? The altcoins like to run when Bitcoin's just kind of trading sideways. So as long as Bitcoin stays where it is in this range, you know, tonight we'll be right here, and then tomorrow we'll probably break above the cloud unless we tank down here, which I'm not seeing right now. I mean, we could still come down to 42.5. Well, we could come down to anything, right? Anything could happen. But I'd be expecting, you know, just to kind of keep on ranging here like I've been expecting for the last week or so. I've been saying that, right? We're just going to come across and then break the cloud over here because this is the most likely place it's going to break if it is going to do it. So anyway, guys, have a good night, and I will talk to you soon. All right, good luck trading. Take it easy.